Hello guys, today I changed my live from Saturday to Sunday without notice because I wasn't here. I was at the beach, and that's why today I want to do a short live, like maybe 1 hour. So I'm not going to stay that long, just not to stop the live as each week we do it. Now, our subject today is how to fix your trading problems. This subject is so important that I make a separate training for it. It has 1 year or two, I guess. And the reason for that is that if people, okay, they are trading, obviously they are making mistakes. It doesn't mean that when you make a mistake, you are always losing money. Even if you make money, sometimes you do mistake also. For example, instead of making, let's say, 50% of a stock, you do the mistake and you limit your profit by exiting early. This is a mistake. Okay? And it will cost you a lot. So the reason for that, it means if the stock, the normal trend, you will never know how much it will give you, the trend for each stock. So don't try to predict. Don't say this is stock I will get to 100% or 10% or 200%, because you will never know if there is a trend. Okay? So stop predicting. This is one issue. Stop predicting. Just trade as normal. So if you follow the trend very well, you know when you will exit the trade. And then most of the time when you exit the trade, the stock will not go up again. It will be having a downtrend. This is what I mean. No, I don't mean when you follow the trend, we have a small correction, you exit. And then after a few weeks, you see that the stock will go up and the trend continues. This, I might say, it is your mistake. Because even if you exit a stock, you should follow it at least a few days or 1 week or two. At least you see if the stock is dead. It means it's going south. If you did not exit, you will lose all your profit that you have made. So this is what I mean by you do a mistake. So a mistake doesn't mean that you lose money. Even when you make money, you can do mistakes. Okay? Now, sometimes, for example, you do a position like position allocation in your, let's say in your account, you have $10,000. Let's say you try to have 5 positions. Each position is $2,000. Okay? But sometimes you see a stock that it is so volatile, and you see, oh, I don't want to use 2,000. I will use only $200 or $500. Okay? So you lose little money. And then the problem is that you have made from this stock, let's say 100%. Okay? This is another mistake. It means in most of the time you should keep with stock position allocation. Put it the same. Okay? You can split half if it is so volatile. But don't put just little bit, like $100, $200. Sometimes you find a stock, you put $100, $200. You make 10%, 20 or 30 or 50. The stock is good. You sell it, you make a profit. But then you discover that if you have put $2,000, you will have made a lot of money. So this is what I mean. Hello, Rahmatullah. Hello, Karim, sir. I thought you on vacation. Yes. No, it's just a weekend vacation. It's not a long vacation. Okay? I just go Friday, Saturday, and today I come back. So when I come back in the afternoon, I want just to do a quick live for you guys. I don't want you to miss this weekend. Khalid Bouakaz, Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. So as I told you before, so today I will try just to be quick. I just explain this, how to fix your trading problems. I will give you just an idea, and then any one of you guys who want to go deep into these problems, you can just check my ebook or my book for that in my website. So as I told you, Saba, wa alaikum salam, Gary Hart, hello Karim, thank you very much Gary Hart for coming, and all the guys. So as I told you, I will not be I will take maybe 1 hour this thing, because I'm tired. I can't go 2 hours for tonight. So let me continue explaining. I say when you trade, you will make mistakes, either when you lose money or when you make money. Okay, so when losing money, sometimes you don't know the mistake. Okay, the mistake could be anything. Now for me, I stated around 30 reasons why people they lose money. 30, it means each one is a problem for you. Now someone, he will never do, for example, he will do 30 mistakes altogether, okay? But you can do 5, you can do 10, you can do 20. It depends on the people, what the mistakes they do. But all the mistakes lead to your failure to make money, okay? All these mistakes. If you don't correct these mistakes, you will continue losing money. That's why some beginners, they have some money, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, sometimes 50,000, 60,000. They have money. They save money, or they do business and they have a lot of money. And they say, stock market people are making money. There is one guy who is doing penny stocks. He is now a millionaire. And you get tempted. To do the same. So you put your money into your account, you fund your account, and you begin to trade. Since you don't know how to trade, you begin watching videos or reading books, and someone tells you to do this, someone to do that, and you want just to begin and try techniques, try strategies, but in your mind there is no clear strategy what you are doing. Techniques, sometimes a technique for scalping, it's not good for day trading. A technique for day trading, it is not good for swing trading. A technique for swing trading, it is not good for day trading. You see that? So it doesn't mean that you know techniques that you can do and trade and so. Okay? So it doesn't mean that. So doing a lot of techniques doesn't mean that you will be making money. So the problem is you begin trying. You try this technique, it doesn't work. You try the other one. But in general, these techniques, you don't know exactly why you use this technique. Okay? If you buy a stock at certain price, the question is, you should ask always yourself, why you buy at this price? So what makes you buy? Okay? So this is just a question. If you want to exit a trade, so the question is, why you want to exit at this price? What is the criteria or the guideline or whatever that you are choosing, okay, in order to exit? So all these kind of mistakes, so the mistakes are so many, okay? I see some people, for example, they buy before the market opens or when the market closes. I don't know why they do that. Okay, there should be a reason for that, but for me, it's a bit dangerous to go to that area and you begin to buy, because the bid and the ask, it means when you want to buy or sell at that time, the bid and the ask should be wide. Now, when it is wide, okay, you will lose a lot of money when you do a trade, when you buy and sell. For example, you are a day trader. Except when there are news, like the earning news. You see that the volume is going so good that you can trade very good. But usually, beginners, they don't know this earning news or this news. So they just go and they buy because they predict something. Okay? Because someone tells them, today when the market closes, just buy because tomorrow the stock will go up. Okay? It's just like a prediction or something. And most of the people, they lose a lot of money from just the execution of these trades. Okay? Now, the trading problems are so many and so diverse, and some problems are related to trading. It means techniques, strategies, trends, exiting the trade, entering the trade, how many shares you should buy, how much you should allocate in your account. All these are some kind of relations of problems. There are some problems related to the account itself. So it means how to manage the account. Okay, so account management is a very good skill to acquire. Okay, it's a skill. You should know how to do it. It's not just someone tells you do this and you will do it. So you need time to practice in your account, because the most important thing is to preserve your money. This is one of the biggest thing you can do in your account. To protect your money is your job. Okay, throwing money here and there and you don't know what you are doing and you begin to lose. By the end of the year, you lose all your money. Okay, and then when you lose all your money, it's like when you lose all your blood from your body. So you will faint and you will die. Okay, so it's better when you see a cat. For example, when we in our real life, we are more risk adverse than when you are like in trading. Okay, so for example, you are working on something and then you cut yourself, your hand or your leg. The first thing you should do, and almost all the people they know that the blood is so precious, so they want at first to stop it. Okay, to stop this blood from going out at least, and you will see if you can go. You fix it yourself, or you go to the doctor or emergency or whatever. Okay, but in your trading account, you see that your money each day, each week, you are losing money, and you see your account is going down and down and down and down, and then you do nothing. So this is a real problem for trading or the account management. But most of the people, they don't have time to do it. Although, if you don't do it, your failure is a sure thing. That's why most of the people, they fail. Because they don't want just to fix the problems they have. Now, doing the same problems, you will have the same results. Now, fixing these kind of problems will ameliorate your trading, and you will make a profit from that. Okay? Now, there are other kinds of the third one. As I said, the first one we say we have problems related to your trade. It means entering the trade, when to trade, when not to trade, where to put your stop loss, how to follow the trend, and all this stuff, techniques, strategies. All these is or are related to trading itself. Now, the second thing, something related to your account, how to manage your account, your positions, what to do in certain times. Are you going to trade? Are you going to stop trading? It means anything that it is related to the general management of your trade. Now, there are other things that I should mention. Number 3 is psychology. Psychology is a very, very dangerous thing that most of the traders, they neglect. Okay? They neglect. It means they don't worry about it. Although your psychology is very, very important in trades. Now, what I mean by psychology, I don't mean people who have issues like psychological issues. No, I'm not meaning that. But it's just your behavior when you are trading. For example, you buy a stock and you are scared to lose money. This is a big issue you should fix. Okay? It's a big issue. It means when you are trading, you should not be scared. And losing money is part of the game. Okay? That's why people, they don't want to lose any dollar in their trades. And they want to make money. How is that? Because in any trade that you do, there is a probability that you lose some money. This is a normal thing. So in the psychology, you should accept winners and losers. You should accept them. Now, when you accept them, you continue to trade without fear. It means you are not scared about, let's say, for example, the market is so bad and everything is going down, and so here you should exit all the trades that you have and you watch the market. If it continues to go down, it means you have options to buy put options, or to sell short, or to do something else, or not to trade at all. You just watch until the market comes back. Okay? So these are something that are very, very, very important in trading. Most of the people, they neglect that. They buy a stock, a penny stock, they put too much money. Let's say you have $10,000 and you are watching someone, or you get news from a website or a guru, or you watch TV or whatever, and they told you, oh, this stock will go double, triple, or 5 times, 6 times this, as easy as that. So just buy. Now you take the decision and you put all your money, because you begin to calculate how much money you will get. Although in trading there is nothing which is guaranteed. No one will guarantee you anything in the trading. Okay? Hello, NASA. Okay? So no guarantee. So these guys put $10,000 in a penny stock, and some people, they can't sleep at night. And he says, what if the trade I lose 50% of my money? What if? In the morning, you could lose more than 50, or you can make money, yes, but this is more into gambling than into trading stocks. Okay? So understand that when you are scared because you do a mistake here. So your fear is related to what you did, because you know that you did something bad. Now, if you think that something is very volatile and it could be bad, it could be good, or could be good, okay, just allocate little money. If you think that it is so so difficult or so uncertain. But don't let other guys influence you and say this is easy, just buy and you make money. It will never gonna happen. Okay, it will never gonna happen. That is trading. Okay, there is no sure thing, there is no guarantee. So either you trade like that, or if you don't like, you stop trading and do some other kind of business. Because losing money is part of the game. If you don't want to lose money, so you should not be in trading. So this is just something I told you just in general. Okay. Now we have spoken about three things. As I told you, we spoke about trading itself, like strategies, techniques, mistakes, and the other stuff, and the mixture of things that you are doing. So there is no strategy, nothing. You just go and buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. You go online, you check a technique, and you try to use it tomorrow. Then you find another technique, you use it another day. So, and you don't have strategy, you don't have nothing in your mind. Just you do what you read or what you watch, and you think that you can make money like this just by these things. Now understand that if you don't have a strategy, you know what you are doing in any situation, your success percentage is very, very low. Because most of the people who succeed have a strategy, they have a way to do business, and they have solved their problems through the years. Okay, so it's not easy. So you should face the problem and then fix it. Okay, and in general, like what happened in Friday, the whole market goes down too much on Friday. So we will be waiting for next week. It means tomorrow, which is Monday, and we try to see if the market collapses or the market comes back. So this is something very, very important. It means another problem is that you don't know what the market is. For example, the market is going down, like when we have seen coronavirus month. So I will just show you very, very quick, just to make sure you understand. Okay, so let's I gave you this. So this here, what you see here is the coronavirus. Now if you have bought, okay, let's say what I mean here, you have been buying here, or you buy here, or you buy here, you buy here. All these what you are buying here with this line, you will be losing money. Whatever you do, you'll be losing money, except when you begin buying from this side here, okay, and here you are going. Whenever you buy, you are making money. Now we are here at the end. As you can see, we have a big gap up here for the Dow Jones, as you can see. Okay, a big gap up here. It means all the stocks have been shorted or sold off on Wednesday, 10 June. So from this candlestick, 11 June, today we are at 26 June. Okay, so 2 weeks the market has done nothing. So if you compare this, okay, and you compare it to today, so you see that the market has done nothing. Okay, so we will see next week. So next week you can expect either the stock to go up or to collapse. There is two things that you should expect. Okay, so understand that next week is so important. Either it go up and it's good for the market, or the stocks continue to go down and you will have what we call a downtrend. Okay, you will have a downtrend. It means the stocks will go down and down. So we are here right now. So we will never know what will happen in the future. That's why I told you, when the trend is going up, you should wait and check. If you are scared in these days here, okay. If you are scared in these 2 weeks here, you are scared, you don't know how to trade. So you can just exit and watch the market until it's favorable, and then you can begin to trade. Gold is better this week, and gold is coming back excellent. You see that? It's coming back excellent. And I told you before that gold and silver, they are opposite of the stock market. When gold is going up, the stock market is going down. I don't know, maybe people, when they see the market is not doing it that good, they go and they buy gold or they buy silver. Okay? So that's the thing. So, as I told you, next week will be very, very important to see. Okay? So, guys, try to be aware of tomorrow. If you see that the market is collapsing and stays at the end of the day, it means the week will be bad tomorrow. Okay, so try to be cautious about that. Try to check your stocks. If your stocks have gone too much and you didn't exit, so Monday should be a good day to decide either to stay or to exit and sell your shares. Now, when you sell, it doesn't mean that you escape the market, or no, it's just the time is not favorable to buy. Okay, if you are not a day trader, because if you are a day trader, you don't care about the market going up or going down. So if tomorrow is going down, you can sell short and you can make some money if the day is bad. But if you are a swing trader and you want to go long, so it's a bad choice to buy, and you don't know where the trend is, because in swing trading you should have an idea that the market is going your way. Okay, because you are following the trend. You are not following day by day. You are not following the day what will happen. In swing trading, some days they will be bad, some days are good, but if the trend is going up, it's good for you. Okay, but when you are a day trader, you are not concerned with the trend. You are not concerned with the trend because you buy and you sell the same day. So you should only have an idea about the day that you are doing. Okay, either going up or going down. So how long this trading or fixing the problems? Fixing the problems can take months, can take years, because the more you trade, the more you find that you are doing mistakes, and then correcting the mistakes takes time. Okay, because you get used to do it. So in order to stop it and do another thing, it will take time. Okay, so it can take months, it can take years, depending on the person. But how do you know that you are not making a lot of mistakes? Is when you see your account is doing good. It means your techniques, your strategies, and you have few mistakes, and you will fix them by time. And then one time you reach maturity, it means you become a good trader. Even if you do a mistake, you will know it right away. Okay, you will know it. If you see you lose money and you will know it that it is a mistake that you did. But at least you know it's a mistake and you shouldn't do it. This is the thing. But a beginner, he does mistakes and he doesn't know that he does mistakes. And he doesn't think that he should look for his mistakes. He just want to trade. He just go and carry out with this ideas that he will make money one day, and then he go from one stock to another stock to another stock. And he doesn't look at his what we call trading account until he loses a lot of money. And when you lose a lot of money, it's very hard. If you are not persistent and you bring other kind of money, and you continue trading, it's very, very hard. That's why some people, when they lose their money, they stop trading and they say, "Oh, it's Wall Street. There are scams. There are short sellers. There are I don't know." But all these people like short sellers, these are day traders. And if you are a short seller and you know how to do that, you can make money. So it's not an excuse not to make money. Okay, you should. Mike L, good evening. Mike L, you come at the end. I am not going to take that much today. I just want to say hi and to speak about this. I was in a small weekend vacation and just come in this afternoon. So from the beach. So I'm just going to stay a little bit and then I will close this live. Maybe next week we will do a longer, like 2 hours as usual. Okay. So it's not I have not spoken that much. It's like 31 minutes. Guys, if you have one question or two before I end this stream. Normally I shouldn't do it. Oh, thank you very much, Mike L. Or if you have questions, you can always send me questions. I can answer them tomorrow if God wills. And be careful. Always enjoy listening to your work. Thank you very much, Mike. Thank you. So, Mike, Auntie God, if the stock gap down and consolidation for 9 months, would you buy this stock? Now, listen, I don't know what do you mean by this consolidation. And I don't buy or sell without looking at the chart. I am not someone who giving opinion without looking at the chart. So I should need a stock to see what do you mean by this consolidation, because I don't know what do you mean by this consolidation. And we have a gap down. Try to see what's this gap down. Is it a penny stock that has a gap down? It means, is it the company that it is losing money? What is it, this gap down? Okay, so gap down means a lot of things. And if it is a big company or small company, it is called ANAB. Let me see, very quick. Wow. So we have one. So the stock was before, it was 79. Now it is 22. Okay. So it lost about 66% of the stock. 66% lost it. We have a gap down, small gap down. And first, try to see what is this gap down. Why this stock has this, especially this big gap down. Is it the company losing money? Now, it seems to me the stock is going up. For example, here it was 10. Now it doubled. But try to see why it has gap down here. Okay, why? Because it can gap down also in the future. So try to see what makes this company gap down here and here. Try to see, is it in earning news or it is not in earning news. Okay? And when you buy from the bottom, it's good, but the earning news, if it is bad, you can lose all your money and other kinds of money. So this is what I can say about this stock. Okay? So this is what I can say about this stock. Andy, you said you are live on Sunday. So Andy, as I explained just a few minutes ago, I didn't want to do a live today. I was in my weekend vacation. I go to the beach and I want just to do a very, very quick one tonight. Okay, so normally I shouldn't do that tonight. I should do it next week. But for the guys, I want just to show up. Just for a few minutes and then I will end the live. Okay? So this subject is so important, and I just give you some signs, some mistakes that you should be aware of, and maybe next week we can do a longer one. Okay, on Saturday, yes, on Saturday next week. But today it is just thank you very much, Andy, and you can Andy, you can watch this 35 minutes what I say about how to fix your trading problems. You can just get an idea about that. Okay, you can just get an idea about that. So guys, this is about the trading problems. It's a very, very important thing that you should think about in your trading. And if you don't know your problems, I have training level 17 or 18. I think 17, how to fix your trading problems in ebook or videos. And I have another one which is called 30 reasons you lose your money or traders lose money. Now I will give you the problem and I will give you how to fix it. So there are some problems maybe you have never heard of, and there are some problems you might know. And the traders, thank you very much, Saba. And the problem is that sometimes you don't know your problems. You don't know them. You just keep losing, and your account shrinks. Your account shrinks. Let's say you have $10,000 after 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. Now you are at 4,000 or 3,000. It means you are losing money, but you don't know how to stop losing money and make money. So this is just because you are making the same mistakes. So you should stop, think about what you did, see what's wrong. If you don't know, you should ask someone who knows, okay? Or take a training or find a training, whatever you want to do, but you should change that. You continue the same, you will be losing more and more and more until you lose all your money. Or until you don't know how to trade because you will have little money. Okay? So guys, thank you very much for coming. I'm very, very short. And be careful tomorrow, guys. The market on Friday, there is a sell-off. It's not a sell-off, but there is something bad on Friday, last Friday. So next week, as I showed you, I will show you again this thing because the guys who come at late, they don't see what I explained. Okay? So the Dow Jones, what did I say about it? I told you about when there is a gap down here, from the 10 Wednesday 10 June, we have a gap down. It means people were selling short or people has sold a lot of shares after the market close on Wednesday. On Thursday we have a gap down. As you can see, a gap down. From this day, which is Thursday, here, Thursday 11 June, till today, the market has gone up and they go down, but it's the same. It means in 2 weeks, nothing has changed. So what will happen? Tomorrow, either the market will come back good, excellent, Friday, Tuesday, Monday, like a beginning of Monday tomorrow, okay, Monday, Tuesday, and it come excellent, or it can collapse on Monday. If it collapses, it might be going down and down and down. So if you hold the stocks and the stock market is going down, you will be losing a lot of money. So this is just an idea to see if things are good or bad. Now gold is doing excellent. As I told you, always when gold is doing excellent, stock market is doing bad. When stock market is going bad, when stock market is doing good, most of the time gold is doing bad. Okay, this is just something I will tell you. At least you have an idea. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching. And if you need me, if you have questions, please, as usual, send me an email. I will help you with whatever I know. If you have a stock or you have investment or whatever, and I will try to make a video next week. I don't know when, about any subject that I see available. And thank you very much, and see you next week.